Today in this video, I'm going to show you that how I was able to find profit that is 10,000 US dollars on my account. So first of all, you can see this is not a USD account. This is my local currency account. And if we convert it into the US dollars, then it becomes basically a $10,555 profit. And you can see I have also done the withdrawal that I have done yesterday, and you can see that is 7,000. Okay guys, so if you look at my profits, they are quite massive, and you can see that overall the trading that is done on the account, it's quite interesting. And if I show you, like, go to custom period, and if I show you my today trades, and you will be surprised, like I have traded gold today, and you can see the massive profits on the screen. And this is not a, even in my local currency, this is not a small profit, this is a huge profit. And you can see I have traded it with the one lot size that you guys normally trade on your USD account. And why, how this profit comes into my account. So basically, let me give you the background. Previously, I was doing the trading based on the price action and everything like this, and I was using the indicators as well. But this method does not involve any indicator, because I am going to take my rides with the market makers. So who are the market makers? The market makers are those guys which bring volatility in your market, and they comes to eat the profit of the retail traders. So for example, if I go to trading view here, then you can see we have the up momentum today. So if you go to my trading account, you can see what my mostly I was into the buy trades. You can see I was into the buy trades when the price was going into the upward side. You can see, because I knew that the market movers are going to take the gold into the upward direction. And when it started to go down, then you can check on my account that I start selling this pair, and I have profited from it. Okay, so basically guys, you guys normally use the indicators, but I am not using any kind of indicators. I'm mostly dealing with the 5 minute and 15-minute time frame, and they are working excellent. Because if you just look at my deposit, if I go and take you to the last month, because I started trading from 4th of March on that account, and almost 30 days 13 days are done, and you can see my deposit was it was nothing, it was very small. But if you look at the profitability that I have done on this account, that's huge. Now my account is huge at the moment. Okay, so it's not a normal account, it's very huge at the moment. And now I have a potency that I can even use up to 4 lot sizes, 5 lot sizes, 6. I can do it, I can go with it, because I have also tried with the 7 lot sizes, 5 lot sizes as well. So guys, basically I'm teaching this market maker strategy that is based on the 5 minute and 15 minute, and you can find the link of my Telegram channel in the description of this video below. First of all, you need to decide, because I am just providing this strategy just in 45 minutes to 1 hour. And to be honest with you, it is a eye-opening session, because you will know why this is the up move, why this is the down move. There is a reason behind every move, and when I will open your eyes, you will stay stunned. You will not believe that really the market really wants to move like this. And I will teach you with the evidence. And what I teach basically is like how you can take your trades with the market makers, like how you come to know they are planning a buy position from here, how you come to know they are planning the sell position from here. This is based on a concept that I will teach you. So if you want to make the career in trading, like if you want to make profits exactly like me, look, I have went into the very safe zone where my deposit is very huge at the moment, my balance is very huge at the moment, and now I have a potential that the market cannot eliminate me. It's not easy for the market that it can eliminate me with this balance, because now I can play the market in all ways. And now I have the very good skill that is giving me the confidence that I can stay into this market for the next 10 years as well. Because what I have learned this actually works, and this is how the market will flow in the next 10, 20 years, 30 years, and whenever there is a forex market, you will be going to make money. Okay, now about this strategy, this is not only applicable on gold. You can trade currencies, you can trade crypto, whatever you trade, you can trade it, because I will be going to give you the skill. So guys, if you are a serious learner, look, this is for the serious learning. This is not a YouTube course. This is not a pre-recorded lessons that everyone are going to talk about the technical analysis, finding trends. No, we will not discuss anything like this. This is something really special. And if you want to make the career, look, first of all, you need to understand, no one would like to show you his live account, because you will find a lot of videos on YouTube where other guys will be providing you the strategies, like try this strategy, this is going to make 80% profit, try this strategy, this is going to make 100% profit, and that type of profit does not exist. I have something real. That is why behind the scene I am showing you each and everything. Like this is, if you just look at here, that's Exness Real 6 account. This is not a demo account. So I am just showing you my trading of profits, you can see, and this is not a paper trading. This is the real work that I have done on my account, and I have basically learned this strategy from someone who was actually making very huge profits in the market. I paid him the fee, I learned from it. Now I started providing the coaching of this strategy, and this is not a time waste, because I am not going to take you to the longer hours of the recorded sessions and the weekly webinars. No, nothing like this. I will just you can book a 1 hour to 45 minutes live session with me. I will show you, and I'm sure from the next hour you will be sending the screenshots of your profits, that sir, I was able to make this profit with your method. And this is how my subscribers are doing. Please go to the Telegram channel. The link is given in the description of this video below. You can see those who have learned from me, they started making $700 a day, $1,000 a day as per their capital. Okay, and they were able to catch $1,129 a day. So the screenshots are live on Telegram group. You can find the link inside. And guys, if you're ready to learn something that you have never learned before, if you want to look at the market with a different eye, then come to me. I'm sure that I will give you the very good direction of the market, and you will never regret about paying the fee that you will pay to me, and you will be amazed that this method really works. So guys, if you want to book your session with me, and if you can afford, then come to me on Telegram. The link is provided in the description of this video below. You can also send your emails on fxmentor1985 @gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.